All right, so this is another demonstration of the ARM Solo result system. One of the situations I ran into was potentially loading bad data into the database and that causing a problem. So what I wanted to do was clean that up and make sure that we weren't putting bad data out in the database and causing some issues. So go ahead and demonstrate that. I'm going to load in some bad data. All right, so we can see here, tried to load in the timing and scoring file. There were some failures. We did get some good data rows out there that were available, but we do have some failures. Same thing on the MSR side, a couple of failures as well as some pieces of good data. And go out here in the database and see that there's no data out in the database. So this will keep us from having kind of a mixed bag of data that might be challenging to reconcile. So go back over here. Let's say that we would have fixed the issues that were in that timing and scoring file. And now we'll go ahead and load the fixed timing and scoring file in. Hadn't fixed the MSR file quite yet, so right now we're just going to try and load what was available in the timing and scoring file. And we can see that we don't have any failures any longer on the timing and scoring file. All the data is processed correctly. And then a message down here saying that we didn't provide an MSR file. That's expected. I didn't put one of those in yet. And we are getting the rows out in the database. Go back. And now let's say we would have gone through and fixed whatever the issues were in the MSR file. And we can see that now we are no longer getting errors. And again, going over to the database. And sure enough, we're getting all the data in the database now. So again, just wanted to expand the database management for the system to avoid issues where we might have had some bad data and caused a very challenging reconciliation process.